I'm representing the Teen Clubhouse Center. I feel very honored to be able to raise funds for the Boys and Girls Club of Weld County. This is going to be an amazing opportunity for us to share our skills and our dancing. I'm dancing with an extraordinary individual, John Raymer. He's my partner. Professional dancing is really harder than it looks. We've coped with anything that we were uncomfortable with a lot of laughter. It took us a few weeks to decide on the style of dance that we were going to be performing. We've chosen country western. This style fits our personality, and I've always been drawn to the country western lyrics. There are many programs that the members can investigate at the Boys and Girls Club. Academics, sports, outdoors, being able to be with their friends. And so seeing those kids being involved together in that program was really what motivated me to raise funds for this great organization. I think we're all really excited to be able to show the kids how we can support them in what they need the most, and that's being able to gather together in that great clubhouse. Supporting the Teen Clubhouse is the best reason you should vote for Liz and John. And also because we're the underdogs. Everyone loves an underdog.